But my whole thing about this boycotting, it's a therapy for black unity. It's the end game for black unity. One of these franchises are going to have to be sacrificed so we can only then see the unity that's going to come from it. Because the only people that are going to boycott it would be the black community. Just to show the power of unity. To show the power brought forth from us coming together. This is what's needed. And this is why I say, boycott fast food. It was just the beginning. Boycotting fast food is an idea. As you hear it more often, you boycott what you want. But if there's a wave coming, it's just a sign of times. This is the sign. One of these franchises are going to have to be sacrificed. Why not? Starbucks. I mean, it's perfect. Nonchalantly, they arrest the brothers in there for waiting to meet someone. Their presence made them uncomfortable. Then you got the Starbucks in California. I think it's Torrance or Gardena or something like that. Who wouldn't let my cat use the bathroom because he wasn't a patron of the place. That's your sign. That is the sign. Boycott them. If you need coffee that bad, come on, go to Dunkin' Donuts, man. Dunkin' Donuts been around for years. Been around for years. And now they're not on some old trendy shit, you know what I'm saying? But it's only about the unity that's going to come from a collective boycott and a collective, I don't want to say destruction or tear down. It's just eliminate. It's showing that they need us more than we need them. This is something that needs to be shown to us. A lot of us understand, a lot of us know, but some people, we need to see it first. We need to see the absence. We need to see the effect by our actions. I mean, it's time for a new wave. It's time for a new revolutionary idea, a new revolutionary tactic. Because we are in a situation where our culture is stagnant. The active motivation of our culture is stagnant. We need a positive inertia to move forward on a different page. Doing something new, accomplishing something new, builds anew. And this is what we need to do. So, my episode 79, movement alert, the plan. Everyone needs to get on board. And I said McDonald's, and I was using McDonald's because of it's unhealthy. It's everywhere. We navigate to it like fucking zombies. Our children are brought up on it and things like that. So it may have some type of nostalgic place in our hearts, maybe. But this Starbucks, brand spanking new in the whole scheme of things, unnecessary. Let's just go ahead and get those motherfuckers out of here. Make them the sacrificial lamb to show our collective powers. Who needs it? Go to Dunkin' Donuts. Make your coffee at home. Get you a thermos. Keep your shit hot. What is it, like $6 for a cup of coffee? Give me a break.